About this my speed USB 3.0, or USB 3.0 ports can transfer data at a super speed rate of up to 5 Gbps 10x faster than USB 2.0. Transfer HD movies, photos, songs, and large files in seconds. Plug and play. The USB-C hub adapter expands the single Type C or Thunderbolt 3 into 4 standard USB 3.0 female ports. Plug and play. No driver and software are required. The Type-C to USB hub is not recommended for charging phones or tablets. An extra USB-C to USB adapter. This product includes an extra USB-C to USB adapter. It turns this USB-C hub into a USB hub for devices with USB-A ports built in. This adapter supports a stable charging speed, up to 5V/3A, 9V/2A. You can use it alone or with the USB-C hub. The adapter only offers USB 2.0 data transfer speed of up to 480 Mbps. If the USB-C hub is used with this adapter, it can only support USB 2.0 but not USB 3.0. Wide compatibility, perfect for USB-C/USB-A enabled devices. Compatible with MacBook Pro 2020/2020/2019/2018/2017 and earlier, MacBook Air 2020/2019/2018/2017 and earlier, MacBook 2018/2017 and earlier, iPad Pro 2021/2020/2019/2018, iPad Mini 6, iMac 2021/2020/2019/2018/2017, Google Pixel Book, Dell XPS 13/XPS 15, Samsung Galaxy S10/S10/Note 10, Samsung Chromebook Pro, Lenovo Yoga, Surface Book 2 and other phones/laptops/tablets. High quality, this USB-C hub is very slim and lightweight, ideal for